interval, the subset of a real line is called an interval. If a comma b are two real numbers, then set of all real numbers between a comma b excluding a and b is called an open interval. Denoted as a comma b like this, and geometrically it is represented as the diagram on the number line a to b. All the numbers between a comma b, all set of real numbers between a comma b excluding a comma b is called an open interval. And set of all real numbers between a comma b including endpoints a comma b is called closed interval, and that is denoted by closed brackets a comma b. Geometrically it is represented on the real line from minus infinity to plus infinity. Set of all numbers between a comma b including the endpoints a and b is called closed interval. Suppose 2, 5 are any two real numbers, then set of all real numbers lie between 2, 5 is denoted by an open interval 2, 5, and geometrically this is represented on the number line by taking all the numbers between 2, 5 excluding endpoints 2, 5. Whereas if you consider set of all numbers between 2, 5 including the endpoints, then this set is denoted by closed interval 2, 5, written it within the square bracket like this, and that can be represented on the number line between 2, 5 including all the points between 2, 5 like this. And the intervals in which the end point, one of the end point is included, other end point is not included, are called semi intervals. So set of all points between a comma b including a excluding b denoted like this. Also set of all points lying between a comma b, a excluded b included, represented as open a close b. We can also call them as semi intervals or open a close b, close a open b intervals, and they represented graphically as like this one. On the number line minus infinity to plus infinity, set of all numbers between a comma b including a excluding b is called closed a to open b, and other interval minus infinity to infinity, set of all the values between a comma b. We represent this on minus infinity plus infinity real number. All the numbers between a comma b excluding a including b, where a is less than b. As an example, when you take up 2, 5 are any two real numbers, Then set of all numbers between 2 comma 5 including 2 is represented by closed 2 comma open 5. And geometrically it is written like this, including a and excluding 5 and all the numbers between 2 comma 5. Also, suppose if you consider set of all numbers between 2 comma 5 excluding 2 including a is denoted by open 2 closed 5, and geometrically it is written on the number line as excluding 2 including 5 by taking all the numbers between 2 comma 5. Right. And also the intervals a to infinity excluding a, minus infinity to a excluding a, including a to infinity and minus infinity to a inclusion, geometrically written like this. And so a to infinity, all the real numbers from a to infinity represented on the number line greater than a excluding a. Set of all numbers from minus infinity to a excluding a represented on the number line like this. And closed a to infinity can be written as including a all the numbers towards the right side of a, and minus infinity to a closed can be taken all the numbers left to a including a. As an example, if I consider that 5 is a real number, set of all numbers x greater than or equals to 5 is represented geometrically as like this, including 5 and all the numbers greater than 5 up to infinity, and as an interval this is written as closed 5 to open infinity. And x greater than 5 is written as like this. So on the number line, so open 5 to infinity, all the numbers 5 to infinity excluding 5, as an interval open 5 open infinity. Whereas x is less than 5 is taken geometrically all the real numbers left to 5 excluding 5 minus infinity to 5, written as minus infinity to 5 open interval, and x less than or equals to 5 geometrically written all the set of real numbers left to 5 including 5 minus infinity to 5 as an interval minus infinity comma 5 closed.